Hello students, how are you? I am teacher Anuja from the Wave Private School. Today's topic is carbonate. This topic is for grade 10. You will find this topic on page number 243 from Cambridge IGCSE chemistry book. Let us proceed with this topic. So, the main objectives in this chapter are introduction of calcium oxide and calcium carbonate, manufacture of lime, then chemical test for carbon dioxide, next limestone cycle, and at the end we are going to see the uses of limestone and its product. Let us proceed with introduction of calcium oxide and calcium carbonate. Now see student, before I give you the introduction of calcium oxide and calcium carbonate, let us see there are how many elements and atoms, like for example calcium, then hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. Okay, so what happens when they react with each other? There will be formation of some molecule or compound, right? So we are going to see now in this. See now, what is Ca? That is calcium. When calcium reacts with oxygen, okay, this is its elemental name and this is its symbol. Okay, for calcium it is Ca. When calcium reacts with oxygen, what product is formed? That is CaO. That is called as calcium oxide. Got it? Let's see the next. When calcium reacts with carbonate, what happens when calcium reacts with carbonate? There is the formation of calcium carbonate. Got it? Now see, this is the structure. You can see when this calcium reacts with oxygen, there is the formation of calcium oxide. And here also you can see when calcium is reacting with carbonate. So how is the structure of carbonate? See, one carbon atom that is attached to 3 oxygen atom. Got this point? See, one carbon atom and 3 oxygen. That is called as carbonate. This compound is called as carbonate. When calcium reacts with this, it gives you calcium carbonate. Got it? Now see this image which you can see. This is calcium carbonate. Got it? Let us see now how is manufacture of lime. See, in this we are going to see how is the manufacture of lime. Okay, before I read this, let us have a look on this cycle. You know student, the water cycle, like it rains and then the water is stored in rivers and lake and then it evaporates and then it forms into cloud. So you know the water cycle. So similarly for the manufacture of lime also, it is kind of the water cycle. Okay, so what happened is the calcium carbonate, you saw in introduction, calcium carbonate, when calcium reacts with carbonate, that gives you calcium carbonate. So that is called as limestone. Okay, so when this limestone is strongly heated, it undergoes to calcium oxide. That is called as quicklime. Okay, see, when limestone is heated, it gets converted into calcium oxide. Okay, so when in calcium oxide you add water, what happens? See, what is the formula of water? That is H2O. Now see, water added. What happens if you add water in quicklime? There is formation of slaked lime. That is calcium hydroxide. Okay, when you add water in quicklime, that is calcium oxide, there is formation of calcium hydroxide. Okay, so in this slaked lime, the next process is carbonated. So what happens? They pass carbon dioxide. So when carbon dioxide is passed in the solution of slaked lime, the solution changes cloudy. Okay, cloudy, or you can call it as milky also. Here the solution is clear, and when the bubble of carbon dioxide is passed, the solution turns into milky or cloudy. Okay, and then it again converts into limestone. Got this? See, limestone is heated, it's converted into quicklime. Then quicklime, in that we add water, it is converted into slaked lime. Okay, and in this, when there is bubbling of carbon dioxide, it is again converted into limestone. Clear with this, the manufacture of lime? Let us proceed next. Now see student, we saw how the slaked lime is converted into limestone. As I told you, it passes through the carbonation. What is carbonation? That is the bubbling of carbon dioxide. We are not familiar to this. So we are going to see the chemical test for carbon dioxide. Okay, because see, of course, carbon dioxide is a gas. We cannot see like the hydrogen gas, like oxygen, then nitrogen, carbon dioxide. These all are gas which are not visible to our eyes. So how we will see the presence of gas? So there is one experiment. Okay, now see, for example, there are like see, test tube. In this test tube there is lime water. Okay, and the lime water is clear like water. You can call it like you can say it like it is clear solution or which has no color. Okay, this you can see how it looks. For example, this first test tube. Okay, this is lime water, it is clear. Okay, so from above it there is a small pipe which is attached. From that there is going to pass off carbon dioxide. Okay, so from this pipe there is passing of carbon dioxide. What happens when carbon dioxide is passed from this pipe to this lime water? There you can see the bubbles. There is the formation of bubbles. Okay, so what happened is when the carbon dioxide is passed in lime water, the lime water turns milky. See now student, this is first clear solution. Look here, in this image you can see the first test tube. In second test tube you can see after passing carbon dioxide, the solution, there is presence of bubbles and this is turning into milky. Okay, and after some time you can see the solution is completely turned into milky. You can see the difference. This is clear, this is getting little milky, and this has become totally cloudy and milky. So this third test tube says that there is presence of carbon dioxide. Got the concept? How to test the carbon dioxide? What reactants we are using in this? Only lime water. Okay, see, lime water. When we pass carbon dioxide, it is turned milky. Got it? How lime water helps us to show the presence of carbon dioxide? Okay, now let's see this limestone cycle. See student, we already saw the formation like manufacture of lime. Now we will just have a quick look for limestone cycle. It is same like I told you before, like water cycle. So we are going to see in deep like how exactly it is. Okay, now see the lime cycle, that is limestone. You know what is limestone? That is calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3. See, CaCO3. When they are heated, see, you can see the fire heated like burning. Now see, what is calcination? So calcination is the process in which the compound is heated below its melting points, like it is not heated completely so that it will get decomposed. No, it is not completely burned. It is only heated until it converts into next product. So that is quicklime. When it gets converted into quicklime, it turns, like in this scene, calcium oxide, they add water. What happens when you add water? There is calcium hydroxide. Okay. After this, there is mixing of aggregate. When this mixing is there, you can see there is passing out of water and there is incoming of carbon dioxide. That is, carbon dioxide is going to enter now. What happens when carbon dioxide travels in a solution? Then it becomes milky and cloudy. So it again converts into calcium carbonate. Got it? This is the cycle of lime, that is called limestone cycle. Now let us see what are the uses of limestone and its product. Now see student, limestone, that is called as calcium carbonate. It is used in manufacture of iron and cement. Now see, for houses and buildings, the cement which they use, for that, in that there is presence of limestone, that is calcium carbonate. Next, cement is manufactured by heating a mixture of powdered limestone and clay in a rotary kiln. You must be seeing those big trucks with the rolling. From that there is the cement coming out. So in that it is heated. There is powder of limestone and clay. Okay, when they both are rotated, there is manufacture of cement. Okay, now see, lime is also used in treating excess acidity in soil and lake. So see, sometime in lake they put lime. Why? Because in lake their acidity increases. So to maintain its pH, they add lime. Okay, to make the soil become too alkaline. Next, slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide. It is used in treating acidic soils and neutralizing acidic industrial waste product. This is also same. Like see, slaked lime, it is used in treating acidic soils. The soils which are acidic, in that they put slaked lime to make it neutralize for industrial waste product. Got the concept? So let us proceed with question and answer. Let's see. Question number 1. Why is limestone sometimes added to lake? Why do we add limestone in lake? Because see, limestone prevents water away from becoming too acidic by reacting to the increase in acidity in water and neutralizing the water to level of pH 7. See, we saw in uses, sometimes lake water converts into acidic. So to maintain its pH level or to neutralize it, they add lime. Okay, so the water remains neutralized and the level of pH is 7. Let us proceed to question number 2. Give 2 important use of lime. You can give any 2 example, like they are used in like cements and they are sometimes used in like soils, or also you can say like they are used in lakes. Okay. See now, question number 3. Write chemical formula of slaked lime. What is the formula of slaked lime? That is CaOH2. That is calcium hydroxide. That is also known as slaked lime. Clear with the point? So this is end of your chapter. Thank you.